Hey guys, I built a tool for Blender that generates photorealistic procedural galaxies. You can purchase this tool from my website and this video I'll show you how to use it. Right, first we did the cube and the point light. Then we go to mesh and add a cylinder. Open this drop down and make sure to set the radius to 50. You can also set the depth to 4. Now we go to render properties and switch to cycles. We can change CPU to GPU compute. We open the volume dropdown, enable the bias checkbox, set max steps to C4 and set step rate to 0.1. Now we go to file and click append. We open my Galaxy project file, open the material folder and click on the Galaxy material. We select our cylinder, go to material properties and select the Galaxy material. Now we go to render mode and boom, our Galaxy is ready. Now we go to world properties and set the background color to completely black. You can see that our Galaxy is very dark and hard to see. So we go to color management, set the exposure to 3 and change the look from none to very high contrast. Let's go to the shader editor tab. Here you can see my node group and you can change everything very quickly. If Blender is not responding, just be patient. This is normal due to the complex node tree. Here you can change everything. For example, if I set the hue to 0, the galaxy color starts to look similar to James Webb Telescope images. I set it back to 0.5. Here you can change the color of the dust lanes, adjust the star size, and everything else. If I click on the node group and press tab, you can see my full node tree here. So if you like this tool and want to purchase my Galaxy generator, you can go to my website and place your order. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.